If Slack is throwing a 400 error, don't worry because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into Slack and keep working without wasting time. A 400 error usually means something is wrong with the connection, your browser data, or an extension interfering with the page. The good news is that the fixes are simple and you can try them in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, let's check your internet connection. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run it and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, Slack may fail to load properly and show a 400 error. If the connection looks weak, try switching networks or reconnecting to Wi-Fi before moving on. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes a temporary loading issue is all that's causing the error, and a simple refresh can fix it right away. If Slack still shows the same problem, the next step is to clear your browser cache. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cached files, and if needed, cookies too, because corrupted browser data can stop Slack from loading correctly. After that, try opening Slack again. If the error still appears, test Slack in an incognito window. In Chrome, click the three dots and choose New Incognito Window. Incognito Mode disables some stored browser data and can help you tell whether the problem is caused by your normal browsing session. If Slack works in incognito, that usually points to a cache or extension issue. Now let's check browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script managers, can interfere with Slack and trigger error 400. Go to the three dots in Chrome, open extensions, then click Manage Extensions. From there, disable your extensions one by one, then reload Slack each time to see if the issue is gone. If Slack starts working after disabling a certain extension, you found the cause. Once you identify it, you can keep that extension off for Slack or remove it entirely if you no longer need it. If none of these steps fix the problem, try signing out of Slack and signing back in, or opening Slack in a different browser to see whether the issue is specific to Chrome. You can also restart your browser or computer because sometimes a fresh session clears out whatever was causing the error. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the Slack error 400 quickly. Start with the internet check, then refresh, clear cache, test incognito, and disable extensions. That order gives you the best chance of finding the problem fast without guessing. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.